Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best tools and gadgets to take your DIY projects to the next level. Today, we're counting down the 5 best mini drills you can get right now, a complete review and buying guide based on real customer feedback and our hands-on experience. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional craftsman, or someone who loves fixing things around the house, this list is for you. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips that could save you time, money, and frustration later on. And if you want to see the latest prices or more product details, just check out the links in the description below. Alright, let's dive in. Number 5. JANGKLIFE USB Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. First off, this tool runs on a rechargeable 3.7-volt lithium battery, which you can easily charge anywhere using the supplied USB cable. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge and then gives you around 90 to 200 minutes of continuous use depending on how hard you're working it, which is pretty impressive for a cordless tool this size. One thing I really like is the 5 different collet sizes included: 1mm, 1.6mm, 2.35mm, 3mm, and 3.2mm, so you can fit a wide range of accessories. And speaking of accessories, it comes with a whopping 67 pieces, covering everything from engraving bits to sanding and polishing heads, making it a truly multifunctional kit. The tool also offers 5 rotation speeds that you can adjust with a single button, ranging from about 3,000 up to 18,000 RPM. There's even a cool LED indicator that shows the current speed with red lights, so you always know exactly what setting you're on. The LED light right on the drill bit helps a ton when you're working in dimly lit spots or tight corners, reducing shadows and improving precision. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold, kind of like a pen, so you get excellent control, which is great for detailed work. Despite its small size, it packs enough power to cut through plastics, small metals, and more. But a quick heads up, it's strong enough that you'll definitely want to wear safety glasses and maybe a mask while using it. Now, I've read some reviews from folks who've tried this out, and here's what they say. Many people find it to be really good value for the price, with smooth operation and surprisingly strong performance. Some have mentioned the accessory storage could be a bit better organized. It comes in a big plastic bag, so you might want to sort those yourself. The case is a bit lightweight but still functional. People have also appreciated the cordless feature. Being able to use it wirelessly adds so much convenience compared to wired rotary tools. And the adjustable speed control makes it beginner-friendly, so you can take on different tasks without any stress. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable, versatile rotary tool with plenty of accessories and decent battery life, the JANGKLIFE USB Cordless Rotary Tool Kit is definitely worth considering. Number 4. Dutoofree 3691 DKB Cordless Mini Drill. This compact mini drill is powered by a 35-watt pure copper motor, delivering impressive strength despite its small size. It runs on a rechargeable 2200 mAh lithium battery, which is quite generous for a tool of this scale, and charging is hassle-free thanks to the USB Type-C port. One standout feature is the adjustable speed with 3 settings: 8,500, 16,500, and 21,000 RPM. This makes it versatile enough for a range of tasks, from carving wood and drilling plastics to polishing metals and cutting small materials. The chuck accepts bits from 0.5mm up to 3.2mm, and the drill is designed with an effective cooling system to prevent overheating during longer sessions. Safety is also considered with built-in protection against overheating and overload. However, a couple of things to keep in mind: the basic kit doesn't come with a universal chuck, so you might need to buy that separately if required. Also, some users have reported that certain accessories like cutting blades or drill bits were missing compared to product images, so double-check the package contents before purchasing. On the bright side, the battery lasts well, and the tool performs reliably for light to medium work like carving, polishing, and trimming on materials like wood, plastic, jade, and metal. The speed control feels responsive, and the motor delivers decent torque for its size. A quick tip: even though it charges via USB-C, avoid using fast chargers with higher current. It's safer and better for the battery to stick with a standard 5-volt 1A charger. In summary, the Dutoofree mini drill offers a budget-friendly alternative to high-end rotary tools like Dremel. It's lightweight, user-friendly, and ideal for casual DIY projects or small repair tasks without costing a fortune. Number 3. FOCSE HSDM Electric Mini Drill. The FOCSE HSDM Electric Mini Drill, a versatile little powerhouse that's perfect for a bunch of tasks like engraving, polishing, cutting, and drilling. It packs a solid 180 watts of power and offers 5 different speed settings, so you can really dial in the right speed for whatever project you're working on. What I like about this tool is how multifunctional it is. Whether you're working on plastic, metal, wood, glass, stone, or even artifacts, this mini drill has you covered. It's compact and handheld, which makes it really convenient to maneuver in tight spaces or for detailed work. Plus, it comes with a universal chuck and a flexible shaft attachment, which makes switching out accessories quick and easy. The flexible shaft is especially handy for precision tasks where you need better control. The setup is pretty straightforward. You lock the spindle, insert the collet, put on your grinding or engraving bit, tighten everything back up, and you're good to go. And when you want to adjust the speed, just turn the dial to your preferred setting from slow and steady to full power. Now, I've read some user feedback, and overall, people seem pretty happy with it. Lots of users say it's powerful and reliable, especially for small, specific jobs where space is tight. A few did mention some vibrations at minimum speeds due to nozzle alignment, but that didn't seem to bother most. Many praised the build quality, affordability, and the fact it works with common Dremel-style accessories, which is a big plus. If you're someone who needs a compact tool for things like engraving detailed designs, polishing small parts, or cutting through tricky materials, this might be a great addition to your toolkit. It's also highly recommended for those who want a tool that feels robust and versatile without breaking the bank. So if you're in the market for a mini rotary tool that handles a variety of tasks and comes with some handy accessories, the FOCSE HSDM Electric Mini Drill is definitely worth considering. Number 2. WORX WX 242 Electrical Screwdriver Set. First off, it comes with a 30-piece bit set, so whether you're assembling furniture, fixing something small, or working on electronics, you've got everything you need right there. The bits snap in quickly and securely thanks to the magnetic SDS quick-release chuck. No worries about bits loosening or falling out while you work. One thing I really like is the adjustable torque settings. There are 7 different levels, so you can dial in the perfect amount of power for delicate jobs or tougher screws. That's super helpful when you're working on sensitive electronics or just want to avoid stripping screws. The screwdriver runs on a 4-volt motor with a max torque of 8 Newton meters, spinning at up to 320 RPM. It's not overkill, but just enough power for most household tasks. Plus, it's lightweight, just about 320 grams, so it won't wear your hand out even during longer jobs. Charging is simple with the USB Type-C port, and the 2Ah battery gives you plenty of runtime before you need to plug it back in. There's even a battery indicator to let you know when it's time to recharge, which is really convenient. I'd also appreciate the safety features, like the anti-false touch switch to prevent accidental starts. Always good to have that peace of mind. And the built-in LED light is surprisingly bright, letting you see clearly even in darker corners or under furniture. Switching between tightening and loosening screws is easy, and there's even a manual mode if you prefer to turn the handle yourself sometimes. I checked out some customer reviews, and people seem really happy with this tool. They say it's quiet, efficient, and easy to use right out of the box. The torque adjustment gets a lot of praise. Apparently it's a game changer compared to cheaper models. One user said it's perfect for beginners and pros alike, thanks to the intuitive design and solid battery life. Another mentioned how the LED lamps make a big difference working in dimly lit spaces. And the compact storage case keeps all the bits and accessories neatly organized. All in all, if you're looking for a reliable, smart electric screwdriver for your home repairs or DIY projects, the WORX WX 242 looks like a fantastic option. It balances power, precision, and convenience in a sleek little package. Number 1. ARROWMAX Mini Electric Drill. First off, this thing is tiny but mighty. The SDS Ultra is designed to be super portable and lightweight, so you can carry it around easily, whether you're at home, at your workshop, or even on the move. It's basically like having a mini drill pen in your pocket, ready to tackle your next idea. Now, don't let the size fool you. This little drill packs some impressive precision. You can adjust the speed up to 900 RPM, which gives you control to drill smoothly through different materials, whether it's wood, plastic, aluminum, or even circuit boards. So if you're working on model building, jewelry, or small repairs, you'll appreciate the accuracy it offers. One thing I really like is that it comes with a versatile set of 10 drill bits, ranging from 0.6mm up to 2.2mm, all with a 2.35mm shank diameter. The bits are titanium-coated steel, so they're durable and handle different materials pretty well. Just keep in mind, if you're planning to buy extra bits, the shank needs to be 2.35mm max. Storage and bit changes are also well thought out. It comes with a sleek magnetic CNC alloy storage box that can hold up to 20 bits. And swapping bits is super quick and tool-free thanks to the special fastening design, no fumbling around when you're mid-project. Battery life is another highlight. It's got a 500 mAh lithium polymer battery that gives you enough time to finish a bunch of small tasks on a single charge. When you do need to charge up, the USB-C port makes it quick and easy. So, what are people saying about it? Well, a lot of customers love how precise and easy it is to handle. It's described as lightweight but powerful enough for small jobs like modeling or working with coins and tiny components. The quality of the drill bits gets a thumbs up too, though a few folks mentioned they'd love to see support for slightly bigger bits, like a 3mm shank. Of course, not every review is perfect. A few people were disappointed with the packaging. It seems like sometimes it arrives in just a shipping bag, which can lead to dents or tears. So that's something ARROWMAX could definitely improve. And while many users are impressed with its strength for small tasks, a couple felt it wasn't quite powerful enough for tougher jobs, so don't expect this to replace your big power drill. Overall though, the feedback is solid. If you're into detailed work that needs a steady hand and precise control, the SDS Ultra could be a handy addition to your toolkit. So, which one is your favorite? Did your go-to mini drill make the list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next tool guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy drilling!